this is Kids in Minecraft, and today I'm gonna be chatting most of the time, because, you know, what's better than chatting? I have nothing to do, because I leave in 10 minutes, so this will be probably a 5-minute video. Yeah. Let's do this. Okay, first of all, this is my room. This is Scarlett's my little pony thing. And this is my curtain and my wall. This is my room. It's all messy. And this is where I play my games. And over there's the other side of the room. Yesterday I was sick, that's why I couldn't make a video. I got to stay home from school today. And my cat Kiki is probably still in here. I don't know. Check. No, he's not. So, here. Or maybe I'll play for time. Hello, this is a kitten. Yum 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 meow meow. Yum 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 meow meow. Yum 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 meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. No! I'm making a video! Meow 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 meow. That was my sister. Her YouTube channel's name is Princess Popstar. So if you want to check her out, fine. She only has one video though. So she's only a 8-year-old. She doesn't know anything about YouTube. I'll be right back. Yeah. Yeah. Don't say my name, okay? Where? Well, this is the end of the video. I gotta go check this out. Bye-bye.